Hey, what's up everybody? It's Sandman47, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the potential to completely change the way we think about money. ISO 2022 compliant cryptocurrencies. Now, you might be thinking, ISO what? And I get it, it sounds kind of technical and boring, but trust me on this, it's anything but. These cryptos are set to revolutionize the financial industry, and we're gonna break down exactly how, and more importantly, how you can potentially benefit from it. So buckle up, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. First up, we've got Ripple, or XRP as it's known in the crypto world. Now, Ripple has been making headlines for years now, and for good reason. They're tackling one of the biggest pain points in traditional finance cross-border payments. Think about it. Sending money internationally can be a nightmare. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's bogged down by outdated systems. That's where Ripple comes in. Their network is specifically designed to make these transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. But here's the kicker. Ripple is already working with major financial institutions around the world. We're talking banks, payment providers, the whole shebang. They're not just some small-time player, they're already integrated into the system. And with its ISO 2022 compliance, Ripple is positioned to be a major player in the future of global finance. Next, we've got Stellar, a platform that's all about financial inclusion. You see, there are billions of people around the world who don't have access to basic financial services. They can't open a bank account, they can't get a loan, they're essentially shut out of the system. Stellar aims to change that. Their platform allows for fast, low-cost transactions, even for people in developing countries. And because it's ISO 2022 compliant, it can seamlessly connect with traditional financial institutions. This opens up a world of possibilities for people who have been excluded from the global economy. Now let's talk about Algorand, a blockchain platform that's designed for speed, security, and scalability. We're talking about handling thousands of transactions per second without breaking a sweat. This makes it ideal for decentralized finance, or DeFi applications. Think lending, borrowing, trading, all without the need for traditional intermediaries. And guess what? Algorand is also ISO 20022 compliant. This means it can easily interact with traditional financial systems, bridging the gap between the old and the new. Now let's move on to IOTA, a platform that's focused on the Internet of Things, or IoT. What's the IoT, you ask? Well, it's basically the idea that everyday devices like your fridge, your car, even your coffee maker, can be connected to the internet. And with IOTA, these devices can actually send and receive payments. Imagine your car paying for its own parking, or your refrigerator ordering groceries when you're running low. That's the potential of IOTA. And with its ISO 20022 compliance, it can seamlessly integrate with traditional payment systems, making these microtransactions a reality. Last but not least, we have Quant, a relatively new player that's quickly gaining traction. Quant's goal is to connect all the different blockchains out there. Right now, the blockchain space is kinda like a fragmented mess. There are all these different blockchains that don't really talk to each other very well. Quant wants to change that by acting as a kind of universal translator. And you guessed it, Quant is also ISO 20022 compliant. This means it can connect these disparate blockchains to traditional financial systems, creating a truly interconnected financial world. So, there you have it. 5 ISO 20022 compliant cryptocurrencies that are poised to disrupt the financial industry as we know it. From cross-border payments, to decentralized finance, to the Internet of Things, these cryptos are tackling some of the biggest challenges in finance today. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and there are always new and exciting projects emerging. That's why it's so important to do your own research, stay up to date on the latest developments, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today's video on ISO 20022 compliant cryptocurrencies. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And let me know in the comments which crypto you think has the most potential. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next one.